Paki paki, clap your hands if you're happy to be here.
Paki paki,
Ora E Hoa. Kakīroa, stamp your feet if you're strong and brave.
Kakīroa,
Hootie here, spin around if you're loving and kind. Now say this after me. I love being me.
I love being me.
Ora E Hoa. Hello, my friend. No mai, haere mai. Welcome here. No mai, haere mai. Welcome here.
Toro like a Kakīroa, stretch like a giraffe. Stretch, 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 Toro, Toro, Toro. Stretch, 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 now freeze. Kato.
Kakīroa like an arefana. Stomp like an elephant. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Kakīroa, Kakīroa. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Now freeze. Kato.
Peck like a rapeti, jump like a rabbit. Jump, 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 peke, peke, peke. Jump, 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 now freeze. Kato. Very like a manu, yeah. Fly like a bird. Fly, fly, fly. Re, 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 re. Fly, 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 now freeze. Kato.
Kore, kore like a noke, yeah. Wriggle like a worm. Wriggle, wriggle, wriggle. Kore, kore, kore. Wriggle, wriggle, wriggle. Now freeze. Kato.
Hooty, hooty like a goody. Spin like a dog. Spin, spin, spin. Hooty, hooty, hooty. Spin, spin, spin. Now freeze. Kato.
Kani, kani like Ngākarere. Dance like the animals. Dance, dance, dance. Kani, 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 kani. Dance, dance, dance. Now freeze. Kato. Yeah, cut by.
Ko tēnei te arapu o te reo Māori. A is for arewhana.
Elephant.
E is for ekara.
Eagle.
H is for hoiho.
Horse.
I is for ika.
Fish.
K is for kau.
Cow.
M is for mokonui.
Dinosaur.
N is for noke.
Worm.
Nge is for ngeru.
Cat.
O is for oru.
Stingray.
P is for poaka.
Pig.
R is for rapeti.
Rabbit.
T is for tui.
Parson's bird.
U is for ururoa.
Hammerhead shark.
W is for wapi.
Wasp.
F is for feke.
Octopus.
Ko tēnei
Kia ora, Kōrero.
Kia ora, Susie.
I have some gorgeous tamariki here and they'd love to learn some te reo Māori. Can you help them out?
Of course we can. Come sing with us, tamariki ma.
Okay.
Kia ora, Kōrero.
Let's learn te reo Māori. It's easy, you will see. Just master the vowels and you'll speak fluently. Can you say hug?
Hug.
Then you can say ah.
Ah.
Can you say apple?
Apple.
Then you can say eh.
Eh.
Can you say key?
Key.
Then you can say e.
E.
Can you say orange?
Orange.
Then you can say o.
O.
Can you say shoe?
Shoe.
Then you can say oo.
Ooh.
A, E, I, O, U.
A. E. I. O. U.
Hug, apple, key, orange, shoe. Now those are the short vowels. There's still 5 more. The next are the long vowels. Learn them and you'll soar. Can you say car?
Car.
Then you can say ah.
Ah.
Can you say bear?
Bear.
Then you can say air.
Air.
Can you say sheep?
Sheep.
Then you can say e.
E.
Can you say on?
On.
Then you can say oh.
On.
Can you say moon?
Blue.
Then you can say ooh.
Ooh.
A, E, I, O, U.
A. E. I. O. U.
Car, bag, sheep, on moon. You've learned the 10 vowels of te reo Māori. Master them and you'll be speaking beautifully. Soon you'll be able to say aporo and turi, or even longer words like taumata whakatangi hanga ko au au o tamatea turi pukaka piki maunga horo no kupo kai whenua ki tāna tānu.
Oh, that's a long one.
Well, Taraphiwa, give it a go. You'll get it in no time.